Hi friends, Marcus here from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Did you know that in Japan, people clean their homes with just rice water, orange peels, and simple gratitude? These amazing methods have kept Japanese homes spotless for hundreds of years, without any harsh chemicals that can hurt our lungs or skin. I'm going to show you 7 incredible Japanese cleaning secrets that will change how you think about keeping your home fresh and clean. These methods are perfect for us seniors because they're gentle, natural, and won't strain our backs or wallets. Plus, they turn cleaning into a peaceful, almost magical experience. Before we start this wonderful journey together, please hit that like button if you want to learn these amazing secrets, and don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more helpful tips every week. Let's explore how Japanese families have been cleaning their homes naturally for generations using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen.
Secret 1. Daily cleaning as a peaceful ritual. In Japan, cleaning isn't a big chore that you dread all week. Instead, it's like a daily prayer or meditation. Japanese people, especially older folks, treat cleaning as a way to bring peace to their hearts and homes. Think about this. When you wake up each morning, instead of rushing around, you can spend just 5 quiet minutes cleaning one small area. Maybe you gently sweep your front steps, or you slowly wipe down your kitchen counter while thinking grateful thoughts. This isn't about scrubbing everything until it shines. It's about connecting with your space in a loving way. When you clean with this gentle spirit, something magical happens. Your mind becomes calm, your body feels more relaxed, and your home starts to feel like a true sanctuary.
Japanese seniors often say that this daily ritual helps them feel young and strong. They move slowly and mindfully, stretching their bodies gently as they clean. It's like doing yoga while taking care of your home. Try this tomorrow morning. Choose one small area, maybe your bedside table or your favorite chair. Spend 5 minutes gently dusting and organizing it while thinking about how grateful you are for this peaceful space. Notice how different you feel afterward. If you're enjoying these gentle tips, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with a friend who might love these ideas too.
Secret 2. Magic rice water for natural cleaning. Here's something that will amaze you. That cloudy water you usually pour down the drain after washing rice is actually a powerful natural cleaner. In Japan, they call this precious liquid kome no togijiru, and grandmothers have been using it for centuries. Rice water contains natural enzymes and mild acids that can clean almost anything in your home. The starch in the water helps remove dirt and grime, while the vitamins make surfaces shine naturally. Best of all, it's completely free and safe for seniors with sensitive skin or breathing problems. Here's how to use this wonderful gift. After you rinse your rice, save that milky water in a clean jar. You can use it fresh or let it sit for a day to become even stronger. For your kitchen counters, simply dip a soft cloth in rice water and wipe gently. The natural enzymes will cut through grease and food stains without any scrubbing. For cloudy drinking glasses, soak them in rice water for 10 minutes, then rinse with clean water. They'll sparkle like new crystal. Your wooden floors will love rice water too. Mix it with warm water in a bucket and mop gently. The natural oils in rice water will nourish the wood and leave a subtle, clean shine that's much better than harsh floor chemicals. Japanese families also use rice water to clean their windows and mirrors. The starch creates a streak-free finish that commercial cleaners can't match. Plus, there are no toxic fumes to worry about. Pro tip from Japanese grandmothers. Save rice water in small spray bottles. Add a few drops of essential oil like lavender or lemon for a lovely natural scent. This homemade cleaner costs almost nothing and works better than expensive store products.
Secret 3. Transform citrus peels into powerful cleaners.
In Japanese homes, nothing goes to waste, especially the beautiful peels from oranges, lemons, and the special yuzu citrus fruit. These peels contain powerful natural oils that can clean, freshen, and sanitize your entire home. When you eat an orange or lemon, don't throw away those colorful peels. Japanese families collect them and turn them into some of the most effective natural cleaners you can imagine. Here's a simple recipe that Japanese grandmothers have used for generations. Fill a glass jar with citrus peels and cover them with white vinegar. Let this mixture sit in a dark place for 2 weeks, shaking it gently every few days. The vinegar will pull all the cleaning oils from the peels, creating a powerful, natural, all-purpose cleaner. After 2 weeks, strain out the peels and pour the liquid into spray bottles. This amazing cleaner can tackle soap scum in your bathroom, grease on your stove, and even sticky residue on jars and bottles. The natural acids in citrus cut through dirt while leaving a fresh, uplifting scent. But there's more. Japanese people also dry their citrus peels and use them in beautiful ways. You can place dried orange peels in your closets to keep clothes smelling fresh and to naturally repel moths. Or add them to your bath water for a luxurious spa-like experience that softens your skin and relaxes your muscles. During winter months, Japanese families burn small pieces of dried citrus peel to purify the air and create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The natural oils release negative ions that actually clean the air you breathe. Here's something special to try. Save your citrus peels for 1 week, then make a big batch of this natural cleaner. Share this video with your family so they can try it too. And don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more amazing natural recipes.
Secret 4. The Ancient Art of Mindful Sweeping. Marcus, in traditional Japanese homes, the humble broom is treated like a sacred tool. These aren't ordinary plastic brooms. They're beautiful hoki brooms made from natural grasses that have been carefully woven by hand. Sweeping with a natural broom is completely different from using a noisy vacuum cleaner. It's quiet, gentle, and allows you to move at your own peaceful pace. Japanese seniors especially love this method because it gives them gentle exercise without putting strain on their backs or joints. When you sweep with intention and mindfulness, something wonderful happens. The rhythmic movement becomes like meditation. Your breathing naturally slows down, your shoulders relax, and your mind becomes calm and focused. Many Japanese people say that sweeping helps them think through problems and find creative solutions. The technique is simple but powerful. Hold your broom lightly and move it in smooth, flowing motions. Don't rush or push hard. Let the natural bristles do the work as you guide them gently across the floor. Listen to the soft swishing sound and feel the connection between your body, the broom, and your home. Natural grass brooms are also much better for your floors than vacuum cleaners. They won't scratch delicate wood or damage the fibers in your rugs. Plus, they pick up fine dust that vacuums often just blow around. If you can't find a traditional Japanese broom, look for any broom made from natural materials like corn husks or bamboo. The key is to choose something that feels good in your hands and connects you to the natural world. Try this peaceful practice. Set aside 10 minutes tomorrow morning to sweep one room very slowly and mindfully. Notice how different it feels from rushing through your cleaning. If this idea brings you peace, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments how it goes. Secret 5. The Sacred Power of Water and Gratitude. Marcus says, in Japanese Buddhist temples, monks clean everything using the simplest tools imaginable. Just pure water, soft cloths, and hearts full of gratitude. This ancient practice teaches us that the most powerful cleaning ingredient isn't found in any store. It's the love and appreciation we bring to our work. Water is considered sacred in Japanese culture.
It represents purity, renewal, and life itself. When you clean with water and gratitude, you're not just removing dirt, you're blessing your home and everything in it. This method is perfect for seniors because it's incredibly gentle, yet surprisingly effective. Warm water naturally loosens dirt and grime without harsh scrubbing. When you add mindful attention and grateful thoughts, the cleaning becomes a spiritual practice that nourishes your soul. Here's how to practice this beautiful tradition. Fill a bowl with warm water and choose one soft, clean cloth. As you dip the cloth in water, take a moment to appreciate this simple miracle of cleanliness. Think about how grateful you are for clean water, for your home, for your ability to care for your space. Wipe each surface slowly and lovingly. As you clean your table, think about all the wonderful meals it has held. As you dust your bookshelf, remember the joy those books have brought you. As you wipe your windows, appreciate how they let in light and show you the beautiful world outside. Japanese temple keepers say that when you clean with this spirit of gratitude, your home begins to radiate peace and joy. Visitors feel welcome, and you feel more content and happy in your own space. This method works especially well for cleaning delicate items like picture frames, lampshades, and decorative objects. The gentle touch of water and cloth won't damage anything, but the loving attention you give will make everything shine with inner light. Remember, friends, if you're loving these peaceful cleaning methods, please subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks and ring that notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips.
Secret 6. Dansshari, the life-changing art of letting go. One of the most powerful Japanese cleaning philosophies is called dansshari. This beautiful practice teaches us to refuse what we don't need, dispose of what doesn't serve us, and separate ourselves from the burden of too many possessions. Dansshari is especially valuable for us seniors because over the years we tend to accumulate so many things. Our closets fill up with clothes we never wear, our drawers overflow with gadgets we never use, and our surfaces disappear under piles of papers and decorations. But dansshari isn't about throwing everything away or living with nothing. It's about choosing carefully what deserves space in your life and home. When you practice dansshari, you create room for peace, beauty, and the things that truly matter. Japanese families approach this practice very gently and thoughtfully. They don't rush to clean out everything at once. Instead, they choose one small area, maybe one drawer, one shelf, or one corner of a closet, and give it their full attention. As you look at each item, ask yourself these gentle questions. Does this bring me joy or stress? Do I use this regularly, or does it just take up space? If I keep this, am I keeping it out of love or out of guilt? The goal isn't to have an empty home. It's to have a home filled only with things that support your happiness and well-being. When you release items that no longer serve you, you're not losing anything. You're gaining freedom, space, and peace of mind. Many Japanese seniors say that practicing dansshari helped them feel younger and more energetic. When your home contains only things you love and use, cleaning becomes much easier and more enjoyable. You spend less time managing stuff and more time enjoying life. Start small. Choose one drawer this week and practice dansshari with loving kindness toward yourself. Share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if dansshari speaks to your heart.
Secret 7. Embrace natural materials for gentle cleaning. The final secret from Japanese cleaning wisdom is choosing tools made from natural materials that are gentle on both your body and the earth. Traditional Japanese cleaning supplies are works of art. Beautiful bamboo brushes, soft cotton cloths, and wooden buckets that last for generations. These natural tools are especially wonderful for seniors because they're designed for comfort and ease of use.
Bamboo brushes have soft, flexible bristles that clean effectively without requiring hard scrubbing. Cotton cloths are gentle on sensitive skin and can be washed and reused hundreds of times. Unlike plastic cleaning tools that can scratch surfaces and break easily, natural materials actually improve with age. A well-made bamboo brush becomes softer and more effective over time. Cotton cloths become more absorbent after many washings. Wooden handles develop a smooth patina from years of loving use. Natural materials also connect you to the earth in a beautiful way. When you clean with tools made from plants that grew in soil and sunshine, you're bringing a piece of nature into your home. This connection helps you feel more grounded and peaceful. Japanese cleaning philosophy teaches that the tools you use should bring you joy, not frustration. Heavy, awkward, or harsh cleaning supplies make the work feel like a chore. But when you clean with beautiful, natural tools, the work becomes a pleasure. You can gradually replace your cleaning supplies with natural alternatives. Trade plastic sponges for bamboo scrub brushes. Replace paper towels with soft cotton rags made from old t-shirts. Swap chemical spray bottles with glass bottles filled with homemade natural cleaners. Each small change moves you closer to the Japanese ideal of living in harmony with nature while caring for your home with love and respect. These natural tools cost less in the long run because they last so much longer than cheap plastic alternatives. If you want more money-saving tips like this, please subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks and share this video with friends who love natural living.
These 7 Japanese cleaning secrets show us that taking care of our homes doesn't have to be hard work or expensive. Instead, it can be a beautiful practice that brings peace to our hearts and health to our bodies. The wisdom of Japanese cleaning teaches us that every small act of care, whether it's saving rice water, sweeping mindfully, or choosing natural tools, is a way of showing love for ourselves, our homes, and our world. When you start using these gentle methods, you might notice that cleaning no longer feels like a burden. Instead, it becomes a quiet time for reflection, gratitude, and connection with your space. Your home will not only look cleaner, it will feel more peaceful and welcoming. Which of these 7 Japanese secrets are you most excited to try first? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if this video has inspired you to try these beautiful natural cleaning methods, please show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and sharing this video with anyone who might benefit from these gentle, effective techniques. Remember, we post new helpful videos every week with more natural cleaning tips, money-saving ideas, and gentle methods perfect for seniors. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest discoveries. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today, learning about these wonderful Japanese cleaning traditions. Until our next video together, may your home be filled with peace, cleanliness, and joy. Happy cleaning, dear friends!